This video is to show you how to log in and set up your GoGuardian when you're first starting. You must access GoGuardian through ClassLink. So when you log in, you should see a blue and white icon, or if you have a lot going on your page, you can search it and it will pop right up. And once you click on it, you'll automatically be taken into your GoGuardian class. If you get the error message that no account has been found, you need to put in a tech ticket and just ask them to activate your GoGuardian account, and you'll receive an email when they've done so, and you may then go back to ClassLink and click on it. Once you're in your GoGuardian class, it will look very similar to this. Your students do not have to do anything on their end. You're going to import them from Google. So when you choose import from Google Classroom, it will connect to your class. You'll wait for it to populate, and then you can select the class that you want to import or multiple classes at once and import the classroom. Okay, you can manually sync the students now from Google, and your classroom will appear on your home page now. These will sync with Google Classroom every 2 hours. So if any changes are made in the classroom, then they will eventually be made in here. If not, you would do that auto sync that was on the previous page. This is your main dashboard. On the side, you have, again, your classrooms, any scenes that you want to set up, which we'll talk about in a later video. You can look at your calendar to see anything that you have coming up to be recorded class-wise. You can generate student reports, so you can look at an individual and break down their browsing history and activity if you're looking for a particular student. When you click into your classroom, here you'll see your previous sessions. If you're just starting, there won't be anything here, but this will be all of your past history that you can go in and check. Again, your students, any teachers or co-teachers that you have here. And then in your settings is where you can change the name of the classroom, add any other description or details. You can apply a default scene if you would like. Again, we're going to go over scenes in another video. Change the color, and then most importantly, you can set your schedule. So we recommend that you set a schedule for GoGuardian to run. It's almost like a DVR recording. So you can set it, and without logging in as the teacher, it will still run. It will launch any scenes that you have set, and it will just keep tracking the students for the time that you have on there. You can also set it up manually. You don't have to do it this way, but this way just allows you to be able to log in and have everything up and running. So you set your calendar here. It will not start the day you set it. It will activate the following day. Okay, and that's all under the scheduling tab in your classroom. You can also do a manual start from right here. You can just choose the time or create a custom end time and start the class manually that way if you prefer to start it and stop it on your own. Okay, that is the basic setup for GoGuardian, and check out our other videos for how to use the commands once you have your student screens up, and then again scenes.